So today, doing a product test. Went to the old Aldi. Had never been a big fan of Aldi until here recently. Now I'm starting to like it. And let me give you a pro tip. Go to Aldi, go ahead and get the buggy. Because I call it a buggy. I'm from the South. Shopping cart. Get you a shopping cart. Nah. Get you a cart because you're going to need it. I always go in there and pick up one or two things. And then next thing you know, I've got my arms full of stuff. But anyway, we're going to try this product out here. Elevation Keto Bar. And I've got the macaroon, the coconut macaroon. And I'm going to try it out for dessert today. So normally I measure out the one serving. They make it very easy for you. One serving is, ta-da, a bar. So here is your serving, one bar. We'll open it up and we'll take a closer look at how it looks. It looks really neat as far as the appearance of it. You can see that there. And it is kind of small. It's not like a full-size big protein bar or whatever, but yeah, let's dig in and see how it looks. So I'll cut it in half, get a close-up of it and let you see how it looks, and then we'll taste it, look at the ingredients and the macros and all that good stuff. So let's cut it in half. Just so we can take a glance on the inside. Well, guess what? It looks the same on the inside as it does the outside. So let's get a close-up of it here. So here we are up close and personal. Like I said, it's a kind of a small little bar, but we'll dig in a minute and see how it goes. So now looking at the back of the box, you can pause it here. I'm not going to bore you by reading all this, but you can see the macros there, and the serving size is one bar. You can come over and see the ingredients and see if that's anything you're interested in or not interested in. And but yeah, let's dig in and see how it tastes. So yeah, the only thing left to do is taste it, see how it would taste. Well, it tastes a lot like a macaroon. It's a cross between a macaroon and a protein bar. Not quite as thick as a protein bar. Yeah, that's real good. It's got a good texture. It's not too thick like a protein bar. You know, some of those old nasty protein bars. It's kind of lighter than that. It does have kind of a, you know, I can taste some coconut flavoring and that dark chocolate on it. It's pretty good. So yeah, if you're looking for something to satisfy your sweet tooth, you might, when you're down at the old Aldi, you might want to give Elevation a try. They've got some other flavors. I'll post them here, and you can see the picture. But yeah, you give them a try if you want to, and tell me what you think in the comments. Hey, until next time, may the Lord bless you, and eat well. Oh, good.